Hey guys, and welcome back to another case study from Wanderlust Campus. Sabrina, how are you today?
I am doing good. How are you?
I'm good. All right. So, got some hard-hitting questions for you today because all we're doing today is talking about you and your business and celebrating your wins, okay? Ready to brag on yourself a little bit?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay, good. We want to. All right, Sabrina, tell everybody just about you, not your business yet, just about you, and then you can tag in what your business name is.
Gosh, how do I put this? Like an elder emo Disney adult.
That is a fabulous description. I like it a lot.
Because a lot of times at Disney, like they have the older emo bands and my emo side and Disney side kind of collide, hence why I've got purple hair. Because you hit a certain age and just really don't care.
You don't care anymore, I know. And I like that age, I'm going to be honest.
It took me till about 40.
Yeah. Well, that's my year this year. Okay, so what's your business name?
It's Wonderspark Travel, and I help like the busy families and families with special needs, especially since I am a family of two special needs kiddos. Most families don't know how to travel or like are scared to travel, so I'm trying to help them navigate how to travel and not be so scared with taking their kiddos out.
Yeah, that can be really overwhelming. And it's so important for people who have walked that before to be able to help them. So, before you started Careers on Vacation, did you have a travel business?
I started about 4 years ago.
Okay.
I think I'm going into year 5. I started out as a DIY. Here, let's kind of piecemeal it together. And it didn't do as well as I thought it was.
Yeah. It,
And
it can be so hard.
yes, so I had found Cyndi through YouTube and
Yep.
Wanderlust Campus, and it took 2 years to finally convince my husband. And I'm like, I'm tired of struggling with this. Want to invest in this. And my business went from this DIY hobby travel gig just to pay for vacations and everything to a full scale business with systems and support in place.
So exciting. So, since taking Careers on Vacation, what do you think your biggest wins and celebrations have been so far?
Probably this is my biggest year in sales. Like I had 4 times the amount of sales this year since doing Careers on Vacation.
Incredible. Congratulations. That's
Thank you.
huge. Not
Yes,
just double, but X.
yes.
That's crazy cool. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, speaking of that, like, first off, I want people to understand you said that you took Careers on Vacation a while back.
I
And you
graduated about a year and a half ago.
Okay. And so you've just continued to grow on that. And
Hmm.
part of that, I hope, is because you get lifelong access to the program, the new updates in the curriculum, and all the new things. So when you think about
Absolutely.
all of the things that have come along, what do you love the most? We can't talk about every single thing, the partner portal, the booking academy, the skills lab, all of the pieces, but what really made an impact on you?
When I started 4 years ago, like the industry doesn't have set training and everything to help you put the systems in place. So to have the outline of like, this is how you need to set it up, this is how you're going to grow and scale, and having that system instead of being able to just kind of like, oh, I need this piece. No, no, now I need this one. And then this one. Having that system was probably the biggest part of it, but also the mindset with everything because it helped me not only grow personally, but also with my business and gave me the confidence to believe that I can fully own my own travel agency. And I'm actually on set to do that by the end of this year.
Yeah, I heard the news that that's coming. I think in one of our leader meetings the other day, they were celebrating you making that decision. So also congratulations on
Yes,
that. And you said that you watched Cindy's videos
yes,
and that it took a couple years for you to really be able and to take that leap to
hmm,
invest in your business and yourself. A
yes.
lot of people are in that same, they're trying to decide if this is an investment they want to make. What would you say to them?
Absolutely invest in yourself. Like this, taking that careers on vacation and going through the system and everything was absolutely the best decision I've ever made for not only myself, but my business. So I didn't have to struggle through trying to piece things together anymore. It was a struggle and everything, but honestly, I wouldn't change the process of going through trying to piece everything together and then finding COV because I wouldn't be where I am today.
Yeah. And Would you recommend a COV and why?
Absolutely, I recommend COV. I know so many agents out there that are struggling and they're just like, how are you growing so easy? And I'm like, Careers on Vacation, like they helped me put in all the little pieces that I thought I had that I really didn't.
Yeah, it's just such a difference when you have not just like, this is what I want, but
Mhm.
now I also have the order to do it in and the instructions for each piece to build. It
Yes.
makes such a big difference.
Yes.
So, last question, super easy here. Is there anything you want to say to Cyndi or anyone on the Wanderlust Campus team?
There are so many things that I would absolutely love to say to everybody, but thank you for everything is like encompasses everything, but it still just doesn't feel like enough to say thank you.
So glad to be part of your journey and be part of everything. You and I sat together at lunch at Wonder Beyond retreat back in the fall
Yeah.
and had some great conversations, and I've loved getting to know you. Super glad to be part of your journey, and congratulations on a huge year. Sales is massive, so congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Thanks again. Remember that if you want to learn more about how Careers on Vacation can help you grow your travel business, you're going to head to www.careersonvacation.com/ready now. The link will be down below in the show notes. Thanks so much, Sabrina.
Thank you.